To write the first four terms of this sequence, we notice that the first term is 15, and the constant difference between each term is negative 6. That means we add negative 6 to find the next term in the sequence. We'll use the general form for the particular term in this sequence. In this case, a sub n would equal 15 plus n minus 1 times negative 6. And I'll use that formula to find a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4. So in this case, a sub 2, it will be 15 plus 2 minus 1 times negative 6. This will be 2 minus 1 is 1, so 15 plus negative 6 is 9. For a sub 3, we'll have 15 plus 3 minus 1 times negative 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. So 15 plus negative 12 is 3. Finally, for a sub 4, we'll have 15 plus 4 minus 1 times negative 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. 15 plus negative 18 is negative 3. So the first four terms of this sequence are 15, 9, 3, and negative 3.